On his Vimeo page, John Knoll showed how to use a smartphone with Channel Chimp and Modo to create handheld camera motions. I've had a lot of folks ask me how to do this for their own animations, and now Channel Chimp 2 includes a web browser interface and Modo assembly that makes doing this very fast and easy. In Channel Chimp, choose File Open and select the Camera Web Chimp file. With a gyroscope-capable phone or tablet, in the web browser, select the Gyroscope project. Run Modo. You can double-click the Chimp Camera Assembly preset file to load it, or alternatively, drag and drop the file into a viewport in Modo. In the item list, we can see that it has created a Chimp Camera Assembly group, and in the 3D viewport, there's now a camera called Chimp Cam. And that's it! Let's play the timeline for the best feedback. And now, as we rotate the smartphone, we can see the Chimp Cam in Modo follow our movements. So we can tilt, pan, and roll the camera. By recording these movements using Channel Chimp, we can create organic handheld camera animations. Please note that if your device goes to sleep, or if you reboot Channel Chimp, that you will need to press the refresh button in your web browser to restore communication. Let's see how this works with an example scene. So, close the current scene, and instead load the Ladybug Moon by Eteria Modo scene. Set the view to camera, and also advanced mode. Click the O key to bring up the viewport options, and in the advanced options, we'll set the display override to not show the locators, so that we just have a cleaner view. When we play the timeline, we can see the ladybug fly in and land. Currently the camera is static, but let's say we want to add some handheld movement. Again, we need to add the Chimp Camera Assembly to the scene, so we'll drag and drop it onto the item list. I want to match the position of the Chimp Cam to the existing camera, so I'm going to drag the assembly over the existing camera, and as I hold, some options pop up, and then we'll choose Match Position. When I look in the existing camera, I can see that it has a 60-degree angle of view. So I'll open the assembly, select the Chimp Camera item, and set the angle of view to 60 degrees as well. Now when we set the 3D to look through the Chimp Cam, we can see the scene as intended, but with the added ability to use the smartphone to rotate the camera. Play the timeline, and in Channel Chimp, click the Record button. I'm going to try a few takes and just add a bit of subtle motion following the trajectory of the ladybug as it flies in. Let's stop recording. Next, I'm going to set the option to lock Channel Chimp's playback so that Modo is the master. At the bottom, I can click in the top part of the record buffer to select a take. Now in Modo, when I press play, we see the synchronized animation that we just recorded. And if we don't like that take, we can try a different one. Once we have a take we like, we simply press the Send Keys to Modo button to create a keyed animation. Right-click on the channel list and choose Stop Listeners. This tells Modo to stop listening to live input from Channel Chimp and to use the keyed animation instead. Now in Modo, we can rewind the timeline and press play to see the keyed animation. Now, we have a keyed, handheld animation that will be saved with the scene. To view keys in the graph editor, select the Chimp Camera Assembly, and then press Shift and K on the keyboard. Or, on relevant layouts, select Show Keys from the Channel Chimp drop-down menu. Using the graph editor, you can further edit the keys however you wish. In the next project video, we'll continue to explore the powerful Chimp camera assembly and find out how you can move the camera through a scene and also automatically follow the ground.